pagod. Yeah, today, now, um, yeah, let's try to find supermarket para we can cook breakfast tomorrow. Siguro, maaga tayong magpahinga today. So I'll just buy some stuff from the grocery, then um, matulog. Or magpahinga na lang dito sa room. So, explore natin konti ang Arbat Street. I'll show you pala. Sino unang elevator dito sa Moscow. Very, very Soviet style. I'll show you. Ito yung you are entering the historic elevator. We're here. Weird. You are entering a historic elevator. It is a fragile and can break if the rules are not followed. Oh, amazing. Whoa, so let's go. This is my apartment. Look, when I say, see, Arbat Street, buhay na buhay. I was in a very good location actually. They have robots for delivery. Guys, this is Starbucks because of the sanction. So no more Starbucks here. So instead, it's called Stars Coffee. Loving the vibe here. Nandito ngayon tayo sa Stars Cafe. Ito yung parang Starbucks na dito sa Moscow. And yeah, I ordered for iced latte. This is the place.
Закатывай, закатывай, закатывай. Опять немножко собери. Посиди, отдохни. Давай, 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 закидывай. Еще подбрасывай, подбрасывай. О, еще, заваливай. Заваливай, заваливай, заваливай. Еще. Давай, будет, Серега, подбрасывай. Вот так же держи. Вот, еще разочек. Ножками жестко. Вот, отлично. Держи. Ручку, все, хорошо.
Look how beautiful Moscow is. Oh, huh? Beautiful. Naglalakad lang tayo dito ngayon sa Moscow. Explore lang, lakad-lakad lang. To familiarize the area. Ang ganda, no? Amazing. Look. Oh, ha? And look, what time is it now? I'll show you. 7:55 in the evening. Amazing. 7:55 in the evening. Oh. Ay, may pulis. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. Amazing kayo. Sunset is 8:30 in the evening. So it's like 30 minutes more to go before sunset. I love it here. I love the vibe. Beautiful, beautiful city.
Там снимается крышечка.
Магазин презервативный, раньше не было у нас. Понял, да?
Давай, Серж! Оу, BC! Давай, Сергуня! Дайте шум!
Look. It's raining in Moscow. Bala ko sana kumain sa Georgian restaurant but yeah, maulan. Lakas ng ulan. Pero na-miss ko to. Kasi walang ganito sa Qatar. Hi guys. So I will end the vlog here for today. Day one was very tiring. I had a 1 hour flight from Doha to Sharjah, then stayed there for 3 hours, then another like 5 hours Sharjah to Moscow, and immigration was fine. It was quick, but sobrang kaba ko sa immigration dahil I don't know why. And especially the IO immigration officer is very intimidating. She really makes sure na I look the same sa passport and in person. Kailangan niyang tingnan, siguro double check yung ilong ko kung flat. Anyway, she asked me if first time and the purpose of travel. What else did she ask? She asked for my visa. She asked if I had a visa. Then when I'm about to show her, sabi niya, it's okay, no problem. Then nagka-problema ako sa Yandex. Bali, ang pick up ko is supposedly sa first floor. Pumunta ako ng second floor. Paglabas ko ng airport, wala nang signal. So no, I cannot communicate with the driver. Then I asked someone kung saan ang pick up. Then ayun, ayos naman. Then from airport to accommodation, ang layo. Maybe 1 hour. Then ayun, nag-check-in, bumili ng mga stuff like pork because I want to make pork adobo. And yeah, naglakad-lakad. Then I had dinner sa local na para siyang karinderya na bukas sa lahat. Para siyang karinderya. Pero okay lang. Medyo hindi masosyal. I mean, it's not cheap. Grabe, kumain ako ng baboy. Anyway, ayun, it was raining, then bumili ng tubig, umuwi. So, that's my day one. And hope to explore more of Moscow tomorrow. I don't know what I will do tomorrow, but maybe chillax lang muna ako. Sakit sa paa. Relax lang. Ayun. We'll try to I'll cook tomorrow for breakfast, then I'll decide kung anong gagawin ko for tomorrow. Anyway, thank you. Anyway, so that's it, my day one here in Moscow. It's my first time here, and looking forward to explore more of Russia. Good night, everyone.